meant to be stationary. Therefore, we have in cases of lower extremity parts to be treated, like the lower leg or the thigh area, it is important that the patient should be seated above the level of the water, of course. Okay? Otherwise, if we use the high boy tank, the patient can sit in the tank. But in this case, it is too small to accommodate Patricia or too small to accommodate me. Okay? Anyway, so the patient should be seated on a higher level, and the extremity should be immersed just to the level of the water in this here. Okay, let's pretend that she has knee flexion contracture, okay? And we would like to facilitate to help stretch that knee flexion contracture. How should I position her? More the chance.
Dip the knee.
What's the knee? Dip the knee? Why do I need to dip the knee?
Because the knee
Knee flexion contracture. Yeah, you have a knee flexion contracture. Where is the contracture? Which part? Anterior or posterior?
Posterior.
Meaning your hamstring. Okay, you're affected. So you need to basically immerse up to the tendon of the hamstring. Because you would like to take advantage of thermal effect to facilitate tissue extensibility. So the tissue needs to be dipped to this area. Okay? And then the nozzle should be in front or behind? Behind, okay? To facilitate extension. To assist in the extension. Again, patient footwear should be removed. Any type of jewelry should be removed. The area should be checked for skin disease, open wounds, contraindication should be checked and acknowledged. And then the patient's legs should be washed and scrubbed with soap and water. Okay? Before treatment. Phantom limb pain. Phantom limb pain is an indication for willful death. Phantom limb is biological. Okay, it is physiologic. It is not psychological. For most people, especially when they are at the stage of denial, and they are a leg or a part is amputated, the patient goes through the different stages of coping, okay? And part of that is, the denial stage, the anger stage. Yes, that's the part is psychological. However, then experiencing that the leg is still there is biologic. Biologic because the nerve, the sensory and motor nerves are confused because they are so used to ending somewhere like the big toe. So they feel that they should end at the big toe, and the big toe is still there. So they tell the brain that, I still end at the big toe because that is where I'm supposed to end. But once that is stuck, the nerve is confused, okay? The nerve doesn't know, the nerve actually still feels that it's a big toe, but it's no longer there. So the patient thinks and feels that there is still that part that's alive, that has to be removed. Plus the denial, the psychological part of denial and emotional distress and anger of losing a limb, then it complicates the matter, okay? So you have to have the patient recognize that the sensation is actually true. That the patient is not going crazy, okay? Because it's true. He feels or she feels that it's still there. If the nerves tell the brain that it's still there, the nerves are actually confused that it's still there. Okay? So we can use this one for desensitization to re-educate the nerve that, hey, you only end up to 1/3 of the tibia and the fibula because that part has been cut. Okay? And that feedback can be given by the turbulence of the water. Okay? So it's very important for us as a therapist to radiate, a very positive outlook, at the same time recognize and accept conditions, okay, and so that we can help the patient accept in the acceptance process. Okay? You, no. Yeah. Okay, remember the CPs, guys, we can do the job of it. Part of the psychological, all medical, healthcare, allied medical science professionals, in that case, need to be able to connect with the patient. Yes, roll towels under, of course. Your basic positioning, bracing, and what do you call it? Why, is it painful already? Okay. Frequency of engagement is usually given alternate days with a duration of from 10 to 20 minutes. And temperatures based on the condition. The atmosphere should be calm. Okay? Well, this would be good, but it's actually quite unrealistic in our scenario in the city. But because there's either no hydrotherapy area or a very small pinagilot na hydrotherapy area. What is that? Okay? So this is a very beneficial equipment for treatment. Okay? So I'd like you now to pick a partner so everyone can have a chance to experience, operate the machine, and experience how we normally